Let's take another problem. Represent the following in a set builder form. Okay. Now, how do you write a set builder form? A set builder form is basically written as set A is equal to X, okay, such that X is, and then the description follows. But the first thing I need to identify is what is the description of this set. Now, in a closer look, if you see all these numbers, as I told you, when you write it in a set builder format, all the numbers have to possess a common property. Can you find out some kind of a pattern between these numbers? Think. As you look more closely into this, you will find that all these numbers are flowing in one particular pattern, and they are squares of some other number. So let's say 16 is the square of 5, 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 6, you can write it as 6 square, this is 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and then these dots. Dots represent so on. So can we say that x is equal to x square? So we can say that the value of such x is such that x is what? X is a square of a number, okay, and x square is greater than 9. Or x is greater than 3, right? Because in this set we have to represent the value of x. So we write it as a is equal to x such that x is square of a positive integer greater than 3. Or rather, actually, positive integer may not be the correct terminology. Why? Why? Think. Because even a negative integer -4 will have the same thing. So you can write x is a square of a natural number greater than 3. This is the difference which I wanted to bring out as I wrote positive integer earlier. You have to be very careful because while 16 is the square of 4, it is also -4 whole square. Similarly, 25 can be written as 5 square or -5 whole square. So you can't write that x is a positive integer or a negative integer. So you can very clearly define this as a natural number. Or you can say that x such that x is a square, but that becomes very complicated, of positive integer greater than 3 and negative integer less than -3. Even this can be represented like this, or you can write it simply as greater than sum of a natural number greater than 3. So you have to identify these patterns as you solve these problems.